Have you ever realized that some tracks sound louder on Spotify than others? And this has nothing to do either with mixing, neither mastering, but all about micro dynamics. How does it work? Streaming platforms are using loudness normalization to adapt the loudness of the average loudness measured of a track in order to guarantee a equivalent listening experience. But how is this measured? Well, for this measure, we use a standard of integrated LUFS. This is a new measurement unit. You can look it up. It's ITU 1770, the norm that is defining how it's measured. But there are two things. First, because it's an average measure, if you have longer breaks and quieter breaks, the average measured loudness will be quieter, and so your track will be played louder. First things first, so having longer breaks and quieter breaks is an important aspect into sounding louder than the others. You increase the macro dynamic, you increase the contrast, it sounds fuller when the drop is hitting, and the average high parts are louder than the competitors. First, really important thing. The other, which is less known, is that in the measurement of this ITU 1770 loudness integrated values, there is a gate where every signal that is 10 LU, so 10 loudness units below the momentary LUFS is not measured. And so if your breaks and your intros or your outros are very quiet, they will not be measured. So what you need to do is having a big contrast, but not falling below that minus 10 LU loudness. And then you will optimize your track to fight in the loudness game on streaming platforms. So loudness war isn't over. It is not mastering issue, not a mixing issue. It has nothing to do with limiting or clipping, but with your arrangement and the way you play with the dynamics through your whole track. See you soon for more.